COEP stock analysis Thursday, tomorrow. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Coeptis Therapeutics Holdings already kind of flat. Like, obviously it's not as volatile as I would like it to be. There's a lot of watchers, so I said why not freaking analyze it. Last time, like, I obviously wanted to milk it up, but with currently how it has been correcting down, which I'm gonna go as about to say is that nothing unusual. Most of the market is also down. Like, all I'm sticking to is my strategy that I've tested for 90,000. Nah, it's not 90,000. What am I talking about? It's 39,000 videos over the last 4.5 years and 5 figures that I've invested in courses and mentors. Correction is fair, but what's not fair is me randomly buying. Therefore, all I need to see is the confirmation, and if that confirmation does not occur, I'm just not gonna buy. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime, I will keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce, free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.